Wars, disease, even personal choice have left children around the world, in rich countries and in poor, under-immunized. The World Health Organization says progress towards global vaccination targets for this year are far off track.
1 out of 5 children is missed out of routine immunization.
In practical terms, this means that 1.5 million children will likely die from preventable diseases such as polio, measles, tetanus, and more. It wasn't until mid-April that immunization programs started up again in the Ebola-stricken countries of West Africa. The WHO says most of the children who are missing their immunizations live in the world's poorest countries. But some live in rich countries like the United States. The U.S. weathered a measles outbreak that started at the Disneyland amusement park in California last December and lasted until mid-April. Measles can kill. It can also cause blindness, hearing loss, and permanent brain damage.
We, the parents, have the right.
But some parents are lobbying for the right to decide whether to vaccinate or not.
I want the right to decide what is put in my children's bodies and what is not.
Many of these parents are concerned that vaccines can cause autism, despite several studies that show it does not. Yet another study disproving any connection between a vaccine against measles and mumps and autism has been published in the Journal of the American Medical Association. This study followed nearly 100,000 children who had been vaccinated up until the age of 5. Dr. Anjali Jan led the study.
We found no evidence of a harmful association between the MMR vaccine and autism spectrum disorders.
On a positive note, the Americas are now free of rubella, a viral disease similar to measles. That's according to the Pan American Health Organization, which is part of the WHO. The WHO aims to eliminate rubella from yet another region by the end of this year, and to redouble its efforts to make sure more children get the vaccinations they need to stay healthy and to lead productive lives. Carol Pearson, VOA News, Washington.